Wellington, New Zealand, also called Wellywood, is the movie capital of New Zealand. Join us for a very quick look at a bit of its movie-making magic industry. While it's well known for Peter Jackson's Lord of the Rings and Hobbit trilogies, there's so much more. From Stone Street Studios, which had a blue screen for the latest Avatar movie when we were there, to world-class post-production at Park Road Productions, and world-renowned special effects company Weta, Wellington is New Zealand's movie-making hub. Here, we visit the museum portion of Weta Cave and see some incredible props. Weta also has a tour, but it must be booked ahead of time because it's usually full, and we just didn't have time. So we are at Weta Cave. Obviously, there's a hobbit hole, there's an ark. Let's see what else there is. So our guide was explaining that a weta is a little insect here in New Zealand, and it's really ugly. Matter of fact, its name means ugly creature. So because they create such ugly creatures, they called themselves Weta. I've never known that. That was so cool. Look at that big old hand. Look at his fingernail. Such attention to detail. Oh, he does. That's how attention to detail. Look. He's got eye gook. How cool is that? Ah!
I've been trying to print a ticket.
There's a weta.
That one.
Are they called?
Really good to break up the chromatic greens. And that's where we kind of step back and make sure that we
So they're making us step away now, but we could keep going all afternoon. We're having such fun doing this. But you guys, it's like there's stuff to do like that, and it's weeks. Just another average day. Yeah.
Yeah, so in the as it's down, when it's really hard to see,
Well, I think this is, I don't think many people from the crew are coming.
yeah, sorry about that, guys. One's head is so far.
Chronicles of Narnia.
Lord of the Rings.
It's from Labyrinth.
So there's a TV series right now. I don't think anyone thought we'd be brave enough to do this, or insane enough to do this.
I'm just stoked that he's just as big as
so everyone can appreciate all that detail, all the work that went into it.
Along with the movie making industry, they have places like Roxy Cinema, owned by Weta co-founders, and featuring artwork throughout the building. And Mount Victoria, where the very first day of shooting for the Lord of the Rings trilogy took place. And it's very close to Hobbiton. We have a whole video on Hobbiton, and if you're a Lord of the Rings fan, you have to see it. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'm on an amazing adventure with cruises in South Africa and a world cruise that has ports in Europe, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. So click the Travels with V and Steve icon below to subscribe so you don't miss a video.